Hi, welcome back. Today we're kind of looking at at my SolarCon A-99 antenna. It's been up for about 7 months. Springtime's finally here. The snow's melted, and I made a few adjustments. I have the ladder out, and I've been making a few adjustments on the ring on the antenna. And if we look here, I'm on channel 1. And we're getting, let's see what our reading is here. Let's put on AM. And we're right about 1.12. And if we go to channel 40, our SWR is 1.38. For the life of me on this antenna, I'm right around the middle. No matter how I adjust it, I just can't seem to get lower than around 1.1 on my SWR. Now this is with a good quality coax. I had a cheaper coax and my SWR was actually lower. And that's when I first put the antenna up. But, I'm not going to complain. That's still in the acceptable range. But let's go outside, and I rerouted the coax, and I'll show you what I did. You can see on the inside here, you can see I have the coax going out the window. And I used to have it go to the ground, but as you can see here, I have fed the coax in between the brick to keep it above the ground. So if we go to the other end of the house, okay, it feeds down here into a PVC pipe that takes it across the walkway so I don't smash it. And then it sits above the cement here and goes over here under my shed. And then it comes out from under the shed and goes up the side and is connected to the antenna. I might in the future replace this coax and see if it makes a difference and I get a little bit lower on the SWR. But 1.1 to what was it, 1.38? That's totally acceptable. The radio does a good job. In fact, let's go ahead and try and see what we get. How about New York, 595, Lake Tahoe, Nevada.
How about it, 595? Yeah, copy
829,
829, George Washington Bridge, New York.
George Washington Bridge, New York, 595, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, waving. CQDX 595, Northern Nevada.
Hello, 595, Northern Nevada,
37 Alabama, making a fine trip here by Lake Tahoe, Nevada. 73s to you, 595.
Alright, there, 595, Northern Nevada, on your way down to Birmingham, Alabama, 837. You have a good day.
All right, so this antenna is doing a great job, the A-99. I think we have it about, if I remember right, I think it's about 14 feet off the ground. I probably could raise it a bit higher. I may do that at a later date. But it's 7 months old. It's doing a great job. The SWR goes from around 1.1 to I think it was around 1.37, which is totally acceptable. Like I said, we just talked to Alabama and New York on a barefoot radio, and it gets out great. So we're pleased. I'm looking forward to spring and summer, and the antenna's ready to go. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.